And then, biglang naalala ni Boy Remulla ang concept ng sub judice rule na hindi nyo maalala kahit isang araw, kahit isang minuto, nung time na tinatry, nung hearing ng House of Representatives, si Inday Sara, dun sa confidential budget niya. Which actually should be part of the executive privilege also, no? Kasi si BBM ang nag-ano nun eh. Si BBM ang nag-approve ng confidential fund ni Inday eh. It could have been invoked. Pero hindi in-invoke. At pagkatapos, hindi nyo rin naalala yung sub judice rule. Yung sabi ko nga, whether you are yellow, pink, or neutral, I don't think this should be acceptable to you. Diba? Hindi to dapat maging acceptable sa inyo. Parang, ano to? Executive privilege by convenience?